Hi guys, welcome to Jazz Journey. I'm so excited because I was able to do a few hauls last week and this weekend. I want to be sharing with you everything that I got, the tips that I use, and how did I get those free items. So just keep on watching. Which one I should start? I'm just going to start with the one that is really free. I got this box. I'm going to show you the box, how it came out. I was surprised because I haven't been getting much items from Influenster, but I was surprised and I was happy that I got an item. And the item is Pericone MD. I don't know if you could see how much I already have used. I got this, I think, less than 2 weeks ago, maybe like a week and a half ago. And this one is the Pericone MD Vitamin C Ester Brightening Serum. So this is a serum and this is 1 ounce. Hopefully I'll be able to share if it was worth it or if it's not worth it. So it's too early to tell. So but I'm excited that I got this free from Influencer. If you don't know anything about it or you're debating, it is worth it. I have gotten other free items. I have shared a few videos about it too. So it's really worth it. But like I said, sometimes I have to wait a while for me to get something, but I was happy to get this item. So I'm going to provide that in the description box in case you're interested. The next item that I did get was from Ulta. 21 Days of Beauty. I've been looking, of course, there's so many good items that I would like to get, and you can be half off mostly on them. But somebody for Peter Thomas Roth was there. I found that out later on. And I explained to her a little bit what I was interested on. She recommended this product and I was surprised that this is really big. This is the size of it. This cost $38, I believe. And when I saw it had a sign that it says, I think it was 19. And I asked her, I was like, this is on special too? I didn't see this in the ad. And she said, yeah, I'm surprised it's not in the ad, but it's on special. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna try it. $19 for skincare this big. So let me just try it. So I started using it and this is the bottle. It does smells pretty good, and I didn't see any negative reaction on my skin. But it's still too early to know if this is a big difference, if this is a cleanser once I finish it, if it's one that I'm going to continue buying or I'm just going to use another cleanser. So this is what I got. It does say 38. It says it should say it was on special 19. When we go to the register, the charge is the full price. When we look at the sticker, it was the wrong. It was put on the wrong section. But luckily, the manager did honor it, so I did get it. The second item that was on special that Sunday was also the Peter Thomas Roth Water Drench Hyaluronic Cloud Serum. I've been trying it day and night. And it is really pretty and it's 1 ounce. So I want to see if these products, sometimes you buy high-end products and you expect better results or to be completely wow, but I'm still testing it out. So the last thing I did get was a palette. I really like the palettes from Revolution. I only have one. And is this one. I really love this palette. It's very pigmented. So I got the Reloaded Iconic Neutrals #2. And look at the cute colors here. They're very warm. And for $7, it was pretty good. So that's what I got from Ulta. One thing I use this app. It's called Shopkick. And once you go to the store, sometimes it does say if you scan a few items like foundations or perfume, just scan it, you get points in the app, and you use that same credit card to pay. It's going to give you bonus points, and for that day they were giving me 6 times the points. So I was able to earn a lot of points on that purchase, and plus the items that I scan. It's really worth it. You just get free gift cards just for having that app open and just walking into stores and scanning items. So I was able to earn a lot of points, which is going to be easier for me to get a free gift card for Ulta or Sephora. I'm not sure which one I'm going to get yet. So the next trip that I did, I went to CVS. I love couponing, and CVS has some great deals. For makeup. And what I did was I purchased, they have this thing going on last week, this week, and it's going to be in the next week. It's going to continue the same thing, that if you purchase $10 worth, they're gonna give you a $7 ECB, meaning that at the end of the receipt, you're gonna receive a ECB worth $7, and you could use that for your next transaction or anything you buy later on. So what I did was I purchased two. I don't have any Milani, surprisingly, I don't have any Milani items, and I think this was a perfect time. These two items equal to $12. And I had a coupon. Once I scanned my card in the Redbox machine, it came out to saying that if you spend $12, you get 2 off. So I paid $10. I got back the 7 ECB. And it came out, I think, to like $1.70 something each item. So it was crazy. I did this last week. You can only do that, the limit 1 per card. So I did that last week. And this week I did it once again, starting this Sunday. The ad starts Sunday, ends on Saturday. So in this case, I purchased 2 lipsticks. Both of these are matte. I really love matte. And I love this one. This one is very creamy. Actually, these are the ones that I got. They're both matte. And it was the same thing. I did the same transaction, so it came out to $1 something. So I think that was a really good deal. What I'm wearing today is Matte Tender. It's number 77. I don't know if it looks the same. I don't think it looks the same, but this is Matte 77. I really like matte shades. This one is Matte Kiss. This one is number 72. This is a really nice red. It's a lot brighter. And the one I got last week, which I'm actually wearing the blush. I'm really excited about that blush. This one is Pretty Natural. This one is number 43. This is the shade. Oh, this one really matches with my shirt today. So those are the shades that I got. And the blush is so pretty. And this is the one that I got from Milani, and this one is Coral Cove number 05. So it's really pretty, and I'm excited that I got that. And I paid like $3 for, so $6 in total in all of those items. The last thing that I got when I went shopping this weekend, I love Bath and Body Works. I really love that store. I'm going to show you the pictures. It's just like every time. I love fall, and the theme was so perfect. I'm going to show you the pictures as soon as you walk in, how pretty it is. And the smells, oh, I love it. I love it. And they have this special this weekend. They have special all the time. So if you don't know, just sign up. Go to their website and sign up, and you'll be getting coupons on your email. And every week, every few days, they're always putting some new deals. So the one for this week, I'm going to put the coupon so you can see. It was that if you spend $10, you get any item free. Up to the value has to be up to 14. But the only thing that it excludes is the candle, the 3-wick candle, and 2 other items. So I kept looking in the store to see what I could get that is around the value of that price that I really like. So what I did, the deal also was you buy 5 bath soap, hand soap, 5 of them, and it will be $23. So these are the ones that I purchased. I purchased Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin. This is so pretty because, oh my God, it smells so good. This one is really pretty too. This is called Creamy Luxe. It's a hand soap, and this one is Sunkissed Apple, Sparkling Cassies, and Wild Daisies. You can see the apple, and I love anything with apple, so, but it's really, really soft. It's really pretty. It's funny because my house also has blue, so this is really pretty. So this is the second item that I purchased. The other one, I purchased 2 of these. This one is called Peach Bellini. And it's also Creamy Luxe Hand Soap. I think these are really pretty. The other ones, this one specifically, is called Jumping in Leaves Nourishing Hand Soap with Shea Extract. They didn't have the other bottle. It already ran out. And they only have a few of this one, but it's the same ounce. It just have a different shape to it. So for Bath and Body Works, everything would have came out to... It says my subtotal was $23, but in total discount, I saved $22. Also, don't forget that I used that coupon. And what I purchased was, this is something that I really wanted. but I didn't want to pay $12.50 for it, and I already have one of these, but it's more for the soap that I have in the bathroom. This is the item that I got free, so in total I saved $22 on my trip. So I really wanted to share with you my haul, but at the same time my haul came with some free stuff, so, and on top I was able to save some money. So I hope you enjoyed this video. You could give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.